Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I got this really nice fall look. First I'm going to start off with the hair. This is a 360 lace wig by WowAfrican and it's called TLW29. It's basically like a wet curl. I did not wet this hair in the video. The way I'm putting this wig on, the way it came fresh out of the box. I'm not plucking any knots. I'm not bleaching any knots. I'm not doing anything. This is exactly how it looked when I took it out of the package. So I'm just making sure that it's gonna fit my giant forehead, and I'm adhering it with Got to Be Glued. And I'm trying to pay special attention to the edges. I don't want to glue down the baby hairs, and there's a ton of baby hairs on this wig, so be careful about that, because sometimes, you know, sometimes you can glue those baby hairs down and it'll look a hot mess. So while I'm still adhering, I'm still looking to make sure that I'm keeping those hairs out of the styling gel. And after I was done, I went ahead and put a do-rag on to let it cure. And then I put some foaming wet mousse on my face. I don't know what was going on with that first squirt, but I go ahead and I style the baby hairs in the best way I know how to, and it came out kind of cute. I was real happy with myself. So again, this hair is 150% density. It's thick, y'all, and it's 18 inches, so it's a lot. So I put these little clips in here with the foaming wrap lotion so that when it dries, it'll give me a little lift. And now I go in with some Anastasia brow pomade, and I get these brows together, honey, giving me Disney villainess. I love scary brows. So today I'm working with the Gemini palette from Milk Cosmetics, and I'm gonna go in with the dusky orangey color. It's called Lorelei. And now I go in with Leo on the inner corners and the very outer corners of my eye, because I'm going to try to attempt a halo eye. And then for the halo effect, I put Goals right in the middle of the eye, and I also bring it down. Now I also added a loose powder I got from Tammy Tanuka. So I don't really know what to tell you what the name of this is, but on the Etsy website that I ordered it from, it said it was a gold on green eyeshadow. And I don't know why all my stuff is stuck together. It's like it was eyelash glue everywhere. So now I'm using my Fenty liner, and because I'm black and I do these wings, and then I put on way too much primer, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to cover that up with my foundation. Today I'm using NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. And then I'm using some Revlon concealer. I got these eyelashes from the beauty supply store. They are by Kiss, and I will make sure that I put what number they are in the description box below. I used the same foundation stick that I contour my nose with to contour my cheeks. And then I just use a fluffy brush and I blend it out as much as possible because I don't want any harsh lines. Way too much baking powder. But it's okay, girl, because you can just buff that right on out. Next, I'm going to use a Colorpop Cheek Super Shock Cheek Shock. I can't remember, but I didn't see it. As much as I was putting on my face, I was just like, okay. So now I'm just lining my lips with my Milani Lip pencil, and I'm going to do a nice chocolate lip. And I'm using this beautiful brown that I got from Sephora. And that's it. That's the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. All the information about this hair and the products I use in this video will be in the description box below. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.